Okay, this is the original IceSkate Sharpener with the single rod. I'm going to measure the noise with or without the belt on. First, I'm going to kick it on at 60 hertz with the belt and the disc. That's pretty loud. Now there's noise in the background here. That's my inverter I'm running off, a special engineering sine wave inverter. So I'm going to go through, take the disc off real quick. I'll do this again. So that's 60 hertz. Then I'm going to go quickly take the belt off. Very quiet. Put the belt back on again. Date code on this motor's got an 86, so it's probably built machine late 80s. So the spindle's noisy, but sometimes you can have them be noisy, but it doesn't necessarily mean you've got a lot of run out. Bearings can sometimes make noise for a long time, so it feels really tight. So second thing here, I'm going to show the eccentric. Okay, on here, the motor itself, if you replace the belt, you can just turn the wheel like this, take it off. But the Allen screw here, 3/16, if I can find it. The spindle here is an eccentric, which means this point, the 3/8 inch shaft is not centered with this large hole. So if you undo this, the whole motor can be revolved around, and that's to tighten the belt up. And my other unit, I've never had to go through, and I've had it to where it's almost at the minimum position. So I think he just did that to kind of do it. And then the up and down on here is to get the belt to line up with this pulley. When you move this up and down, the dresser is what determines where the bulge is on the disc. So if you took a disc like this and you take the maximum bulge to be like right there, the center of the tire, if you lift this up and down, all it's going to do is to put the bulge into a different spot. So the dressing arm is what determines where the bulge is, where the diamond is cutting it determines that. So if you're not in the center of this, you can move the spindle up and down. Now, to get this spindle out, when I first took this belt off and everything, this was all full of crap. So I've gone in here with the brush and got a bunch of crap out of here, grinding dust, and vacuumed it over and over again. Here's the bearing assembly like this. And I'm going to show here in another video some details on the bearing assembly. That'll be the next video.